Why mindful email checking matters.
Constant email notifications can pull your attention away from important tasks. By practicing mindful email habits, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed, reduce stress, and boost your concentration. Taking charge of how and when you check your inbox helps you work more efficiently and creates mental space for other priorities.
Set designated times for email.
Rather than checking emails as they arrive, choose specific times during your day to go through your inbox. Scheduling 2 or 3 dedicated email sessions allows you to focus deeply on your work in between, while still responding in a timely manner to important messages.
Turn off unnecessary notifications.
Email alerts and pop-ups can interrupt your flow, making it hard to stay focused. Disable non-essential notifications on your devices to minimize distractions. You'll find it easier to concentrate on what matters, knowing you'll address emails at your chosen times.
Practice mindful email reading.
Before opening your inbox, pause and take a deep breath. Approach your emails with intention, reading each message fully before acting. This mindful pause helps you respond thoughtfully, manage stress, and prioritize your replies instead of feeling rushed or reactive.
Organize your inbox for clarity.
A cluttered inbox can feel overwhelming and stressful. Set up folders or labels to categorize messages and regularly archive or delete what you no longer need. Keeping your inbox organized makes it easier to focus on each email and prevents small distractions from piling up.
Create boundaries for after-hours email.
Protect your downtime by setting clear boundaries for email use outside of work hours. Communicate your availability to colleagues or clients, and avoid checking emails late at night. This helps you recharge, prevents burnout, and supports a healthier work-life balance.